Next topic is a benzoin condensation. It is a mechanism of the benzoin condensation, very important mechanism. Okay, so here the benzaldehyde is a benzaldehyde refluxed with the alcoholic KCl, potassium cyanide. Okay, or to get alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, is or called benzoin. Okay, alpha hydroxy ketone. It hydroxy C double bond over here. It is alpha hydroxy ketone or benzoin. Okay, said to be is benzoin. This reaction is known as a benzoin condensation. Here the 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacted with alcoholic ACN to form benzaldehyde C6H5CH. Here one OH will be added in this reaction, the OH. Okay, again CO, here CO will be attached in the only H2O will be removed in this reaction. C6H5 CO, here only CO will be and C6H5OH. Okay, one H2O will be removed in this reaction. Is said to be benzoin. Okay, so coming from the mechanism, first mechanism we only form the nucleophile. Okay, addition of nucleophile. The nucleophilic addition is said to be the cyanide ion generates the cyanide ion added to this reactant is said to be nucleophilic addition. Okay, here the benzaldehyde by adding the cyanide ion is said to be nucleophile. Okay, because contains it is a minus charge. Okay, so here the double bond, it is a benzaldehyde compound by adding Cn minus. Okay, so double bond become breakable, it becomes single bond. It becomes single bond. Okay, so C6H5 like this phenol compound. Okay, pH means C6H5. Okay, so getting a single bond O minus, and Cn will be directly attacked here because it contains one positive charge C plus, and H will be goes here, form intermediate nuclear. Is it to be carbanion or nucleophile. Okay, again forward reaction, again forward and backward reaction. Here the Cn minus, here the hydrogen will be directly attack this OH. Okay, so this Cn minus will be directly formed in this compound. Okay, so it is an intermediate reaction. So pH C minus, here the OH will be directly attack this compound. It is formed into OH. C minus will getting one minus charge. Okay, so it is a second step. And third will be here the carbon, here the benzaldehyde formed with this intermediate form. Okay, so this will be formed the intermediate compound. Okay, so it getting double bond. Okay, in the double bond we can breakable into single bond, so it getting some minus charge. This minus charge directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, only this step happen in this mechanism. Okay, pH C bond O minus. Okay, here pH C bond O minus. Okay, the H will be coming in this reaction here, directly attack this carbon. Okay, there will be no changes in this reaction. Is said to be carbanion, or otherwise said to be proton shift. Okay, next step, it is a forward reaction. Again this will be comes under the left side. Okay, so pH, here the pH OH Cn minus. Okay, again here H will be removed in this reaction. Here OH minus will be attached in this reaction. Okay, so said to be pH OH, H will be there. Okay, this H will be removed in this reaction, it become O minus. Okay, the O minus, and Cn will be there. Okay, and then again next step, the minus will be directly attacked, it form double bond, and the Cn will be removed, plus Cn minus will be removed. Okay, so pH CHOH, the CH will be directly formed, become OH, and C double bond O, pH, the C plus Cn minus. Okay, it is a simple step. Okay, the forward backward reaction, here the backward reaction, the O minus will be the H will be removed in this reaction, only H plus added in this reaction, it become O minus. Okay, so these are this reaction. So said to be, it is called as a benzoin condensation reaction. So it is a benzoin compound. Okay, so this is application of benzoin. It is mainly used for aromatic alpha hydroxy ketones. Okay, it is mainly used for aromatic alpha hydroxy ketones. Next reaction is a Normandian reaction. Okay, here in this reaction, the compounds containing a reactive methylene group. Okay, is said to be malonic ester methylene group in the presence of pyridine or piperidine. Okay, here the pyridine group. Okay, so it is in the presence of pyridine or piperidine, it form alpha beta unsaturated compounds. Okay, so it form alpha beta unsaturated compound. This is known as a Normandian reaction. So it is a benzaldehyde compound. Okay, benzoyl compound reacted with the ester. Okay, methylene, malonic ester. So to be malonic ester, they reacted with the pyridine. It forms the ethylene diamine malonic ester. Ethylene diamine malonic ester compound. Okay, okay, ethylene malonic ester. Okay, so to be malonic ester. Okay, so here this compound, first we form the carbanion. How is this form, this reaction? It is the react with the pyridine. Okay, only the CH3 will be removed as CH3 will be removed in this reaction. Is said to be CH. Okay, so CH3 directly removed, CHO will be directly removed in this reaction, getting double bond, CH double bond, CH3 bond CH double bond C. Only H2O will be reacted in this reaction, H2O. Okay, so it bonding this directly. So it said to be ethylene malonic ester. H2O will be replaced in this reaction. It is the first step. Again, hydrolysis. Okay, again we adding the hydrolysis. Again we are adding hydrolysis, the C2H5, the 2C2H5 become OH. Okay, so it become OH will be added in this reaction. Hydrolysis, it becomes COH will be converted. Again CO2 will be added. Here the CH3 CH double bond become double bond. Okay, CH, again one CH will be added in this reaction, and one COH it be converted into CH3 COH. Acetic acid will be removed in this reaction. Only protonic acid will be formed in this reaction. So this contains one aromatic and aliphatic aldehydes given in this reaction. So this is the first step. It is a malonic ester reaction with the pyridine. The forward reaction with getting the one carbanion. Here the only CH3 group will be removed in this reaction. The CH2 here, the CH2 will be removed in this CH minus. Okay, so in the CH it becomes C5H11, and the CH3 become 1H will directly attack in this reaction. Okay, so here 1H will be directly attacked in this reaction, is said to be carbanion. It is the first step. And the second step, we are adding the one aldehyde group. Okay, the aldehyde. So we are adding aldehyde become minus charge. The minus charge directly attacked in this reaction. So this forms the compound. Only the double bond become breakable. Okay, see that. Okay, so it forms intermediate. Again we are adding piperidine. So here we getting the one OH molecules will be attacked here. Only H plus will be added in this reaction. All the reaction must be the same. Okay, only OH become H plus will be added in this reaction. Again hydrolysis, it become is converted into CH double bond. Okay, the H2 will be replaced. Okay, the OH minus will be replaced, become CH. Here the double bond, here they will be directly form this compound, become double bond, OH minus will be removed. Okay, so CH double bond C. Here the H2O will be replaced in this reaction. Only this reactant, this bond will be directly bonded here, the C bond CO CTH5. Okay, so next to the OH hydrolysis, again hydrolysis, it become converted into H. Only adding VRH, it become converted to C2-4H group. Okay, so again hydrolysis, the CO2 will be removed. Here the CO2 will be removed here, and H will be replaced in this reaction. So it become CH3 CH double bond. Here the H will be directly attacked in this reaction. The CO2 will be only removed in this reaction. The H will be directly attacked. It becomes C2-butonic acid because it contains 4 carbon. Okay, so aldehyde will adding in this reaction is directly bonded. Only the double bond become the single bond. Okay, again we adding the piperidine. Only H plus will be adding in this reaction. Okay, only H plus will be adding this reaction, become OH. Okay, so the H will be directly added. Again H2O will be added. This H2O will be removed. Okay, so it become double bond. Again we adding hydrolysis here. C2 COO H2O will be added. This become hydrolysis become COH. It is become C2H4H. Again the CO2 will be added. It becomes CO2 will be removed. CH will be directly formed. So said to be 2-butonic acid. So here the application. So the synthesis of application become unsaturated acid, which means double bond compound. Okay, like cinnamic acid, protonic acid, and fumaric acid. Only synthesis of unsaturated acid. Okay. Again, it is also used for synthesis of diketone, cyclohexane derivatives. Okay. So these are the application of this Navier reaction.